His Lordship, Right Reverend Professor Paul Appiah Sekyere, Anglican Bishop of Dunkwa-on-Offin, has installed the newly elected executives of the Anglican Young People's Association National Executive Council into office, led by Brother Samuel Obeng. The installation service was held on Sunday, 24th of November 2024 at St Paul's Anglican Church, in Accra. During the sermon for the day, his Lord Bishop emphasized the need why the youth plays major key roles in the church today. Again, his Lordship, Right Reverend Professor Paul Appiah Sekyere, shares his charge to the entire youth body, especially in the Anglican fraternity and beyond.
I expect the newly installed executives of Aypa to collaborate with the other girls and societies, the youth in the Anglican Church, like Nuance, God of the Servants of the Sanctuary, Brigade, and all the other youth groups in the Anglican Church to team up, to collaborate and work together for the good of the church. When they work together, they are working together for Christ. And once it's for the Christ, for the propagation of the message of Christ, they are working for the church. I expect the youth in the Anglican Church to promote peace.
Brother Samuel Obeng shared his plans and vision for the next 2 years and highlighted on some of the challenges facing the association and how he intends to handle it.
2 years, our association turns 75, and so all of our plans and intentions are towards that, momentous occasion or celebration. To be 75, there is so much that we should be able to achieve as an association, including making sure that we have a spirit-filled, well-grounded young people within the church who are committed and passionate about church work. We have the AYP thriving in the various dioceses. We have our assets secured, our resource mobilization enriched, and also to have a strategic plan that looks towards the next 5 years. And so these are some of the things that we'll be working on towards ensuring that by the time we turn 75, we would have been an association that is really meet for its age at being 75. Yes, we recognize that there's been a lot of dwindling of the youth numbers really in our church. Many young people are giving too many excuses of why we cannot do church, why we cannot commit to God's work, competing interest of school, marriage, work, and all of that. I think that we have a responsibility on our hand to mobilize the youth of the church, even more effectively. We'll do that together with our dioceses. We'll do that together with our branches to make the interest in church work grow, so that we'll show more examples of how God really and truly blesses when people commit themselves to the work of God. So it's been a great event. We have 2 years ahead of us. It starts from today, and we are praying the good Lord to guide us through.
On fraternal messages, Director General of the Guild of the Service of the Sanctuary shared some fraternal messages.
For and on behalf of the Guild of the Servants of the Sanctuary, first of all, let me say a very big congratulations to the newly installed AYPA National President and his executive. The task ahead is not easy. All I want to say is that I wish you well in all your endeavors. As the Bible says, we should catch them young and they shall be ours forever. I will entreat you to reach out and then catch all the young ones so that they remain for Christ and the church.
The Anglican Young People's Association is the umbrella and mouthpiece for young people in the Anglican fraternity and also responsible for representing young people in the church. From St Paul's Anglican Church, in Accra, my name is Aypa-Nec for Adwa News.